Welcome back to my morning report. Charles Suppose on Monday the 15th of February with me, which pair market analyst at Hantec Markets. Let's look at dollar yen. And we've got this turnaround, haven't we, in sentiment today, driven by the oil price rally that we saw on Friday, but that's just continued into today's trading. We're seeing further unwinding of this safe haven flow that was such a big driver of yen strength, over 1,000 ticks, about 1,070 ticks that we saw in a couple of weeks of downside on dollar yen, and that's now unwinding. We're through the 23.6% fib level already, 113.50. Now that sort of reopens 115.707, being 38.2% fib. We also got the buy signals started to come through here. We've got the RSI crossing back above 30. We've got the stochastics crossing over positively, not yet confirmed as a buy signal, but certainly the outlook is improving near term. And if you've got the hourly chart, we're sort of now coming up against this 114.20 area. That's your first line of resistance. Just on this chart, 113.15 was sort of like the reaction high that we saw, failing. And you've broken out above it, and now it's being used as the base of support. So 113.15 is your first line of support. You're seeing the momentum indicators much more positive, although I would hasten to add that you're also seeing the MACD lines rolling over a bit. So maybe the momentum in this recovery is already beginning to run out a little bit of steam near term. But 114.20 is that initial line of resistance. It needs to break through that to continue this rally higher. If it does through 114.20, you're looking at 15.50, being sort of a bit of a range sort of trade that it was in for a few days last week. So that is your next line of resistance. So you would still back this as a rally because you've got this broken downtrend in place now. So at the very least, it's a consolidation move. It's that's no longer falling, but it certainly looks as though it could be potentially a rally as well. As I said, those MACD lines are a little bit of a concern, but nothing too major quite yet. I'd say 113.50. If you saw a move back towards that to find support, I think that's a decent sort of buying level now. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading. I'll speak to you later. Thank you.